Hey guys, this is Brittany with the Crafting Spot. Today we'll focus on how to use the offset feature. Offset creates somewhat of a shadow around your text or shape. It's a really simple process that can give your design some pop and is really popular on tumblers like you see here. So let's dive in. The first step is to type out your text. Next, choose the font that you want to use. To make it easier to see, you can choose the color that you want to use for your vinyl. I'm happy with this font, so we'll proceed. Since I used the script, I had to be sure to weld the text together. Once you weld, be sure to group the text together so that it's easier to move. Next, click Offset. The Offset button is a star with a shadow or offset around it. The Offset panel will pop up on the right. You can choose between an internal or external offset. For this design, we'll click the normal external offset. To achieve your favorite look, adjust the offset distance. You can increase the distance to make a larger shadow or decrease it to make it smaller. You can also adjust the corners to be pointed or curved. Always make sure that the corners of my offset match the corners of my text. Once you're happy with your results, click Apply. The offset will apply to each group of text. In this case, since we have 3 words, we have 3 different pieces. To keep them together, be sure to group them. You can change the color of the offset to whatever you like. Once you're done, you can actually separate the pieces. When you're ready to cut the text, you will cut the bottom layer or the offset in one color of vinyl and the words in another. Then when you're ready to apply the decal to your surface, you would layer them. I'll do a follow-up of the actual layering process later, but you got the basics. As always, thank you for joining us in the Crafting Spot and thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to hit the inbox, like this video and share it with a friend. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Join us on Facebook. I'll post a link in the description below. It's your girl Brittany signing off. Stay crafty.